Hello, I am Joris. I've been working for 6 years for Werkhuizen Jacobs. I'm an engineer and I coordinate projects. I'm responsible for the welding robots and for creating technical drawings. We're mainly concerned with building cranes on trucks. Why Siegmund? Siegmund offers high build quality with many clamping options. For our daily tasks, we need a lot of flexibility. We strive for the best, and that Siegmund provides. That's why Siegmund is the best.